Hello students, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Today's our topic is English grammar singular and plural. What is a noun? I will tell you. Everything around us has a name. All names or naming words are nouns. Nouns can be one or many. Let us learn singular noun. What is a singular noun? A noun which is one in number is called singular noun. Look at the picture. You can see a girl and a book. A girl is a singular noun because only one girl is there, and a book is also a singular noun. When we are talking about a single person, animal, or thing, we use a singular noun. Girl, dog, bag are all singular nouns. Let us learn plural noun. What is a plural noun? The nouns which are more than one in number is called plural noun. Look at the picture. You can see here two girls and some books. Girls are more than one girl and books are also more than one book. So, girls and books are plural nouns. When we are talking about many people, animals, or things, we use a plural noun. Girls, dogs, bags are all plural nouns. When we write the plural form of a noun, we have to follow some rules. Let us learn. Rule number 1. To change the nouns from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S at the end of the word. Let us learn through examples. Look at the picture. One pencil, many pencils. Here we have added letter S to change the word pencil from a singular form to its plural form. Pencil, pencils. Let us learn some more examples. Here singular nouns are given. We mostly add S to make a plural naming word. Pen, pens. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Tree, trees. Some more examples. Ball, balls. Roof, roofs. We mostly add S to make a plural word. Let us learn rule number 2. Nouns that end with the letter S, SS, SH, CH and X can be made plural by adding ES at the end. Let us see some examples. First example, punch, punches. Here the word punch ends with the letter CH. So to make it plural form, we add ES at the end. Second example, bus, buses. Here the word bus ends with the letter S. So to make it plural form, we add ES at the end. Third example, excess, excesses. Here the word excess ends with the letters SS. So to make it plural form, we add ES at the end. Example number 4, fish, fishes. Here the word fish ends with the letters SH. So to make it plural, we add ES at the end. So fish, fishes. Last example, fox, foxes. Here the word fox ends with the letter X. So to make it plural form, we add ES at the end. Fox, foxes. CH, S, SS or X are hissing sounds. Nouns that end in a hissing sounds, they form plural by adding ES. See here some examples are given. Hero, heroes. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Match, matches. Brush, brushes. See for example, box, boxes. Match, matches. fox, foxes. Now let us learn rule number 3. Nouns that end with the letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES to make it plural. Let us learn through some examples. Look at the picture. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. Here in first example, baby. The word baby ends with the letter Y, and before that there is a letter B which is a consonant. So to make it plural, we drop the letter Y and there we add IES to make it into the plural form. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. Similarly, cherry, cherries. What we have learnt? We have learnt singular and plural noun and some rules for changing from singular to plural. Rule number 1. To change the nouns from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S at the end of the word. For examples, book, books, pen, pens. Rule number 2. Nouns that end with the letter S, SS, SH, CH and X can be made plural by adding ES at the end. Examples, box, boxes, batch, batches. Rule number 3. Nouns that end with the letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES to make it plural. For examples, family, families, cherry, cherries. I hope you understood the rules. Write down today's home assignment. Write plural form of given nouns. 1. Pen. 2. Flower. 3. Ball. 4. Brush. 5. Lady. 6. Baby. 7. Gas. 8. Book. 9. Fox. 10. Girl. In this session, we have learned 3 rules. Remaining rules we will learn in next session. Thank you.